Hi students, let's study or let's learn how to add and subtract fractions with the different or unlike denominators. So I hope you know how to add the fractions which are having same denominator. For example, like if you want to add 3 upon 8 plus 4 upon 8, let be 5 upon 8. So when they have same denominator, it's easier to add. You will add only the upside numbers. Let it be 7, and 7 plus 5, it will be 12. So it will become 12 upon 8. See, when they have same denominator, it's easier to add, you know it. And we will cancel this both by 4, it becomes 2, it becomes 3. So final answer is 3 by 2. But here we are going to study about different denominators, the fractions with the different denominators. So for that, what we are going to do is, let me take a fraction here. See here, these are the two fractions, 2 upon 15 and plus 3 upon 5. So here what you need to do is, you must make sure the denominators are same or not. Here the denominator is 15, here the denominator is 5. So the denominators, see here it is written, the two fractions have denominators that are not equal. They are not equal. So we need to make them equal by finding their least common multiple. That is LCM or LCD. We need to find LCM. We need to find LCM. LCM. So here how we are going to find the LCM? We are going to find the LCM by taking the multiple of 15 and by taking the multiple of 5. See, LCM means the first multiple which comes in the both the table. The first denominator was 15, second denominator is 5. We need to find their LCM. So when we find the LCM, we get LCM as 15. So what we need to do, we need to make their denominators as 15. So here 2 by 15 and 3 by 15 they need to add. So 2 by 15 is already having 15 in the denominator, but 3 by 5 doesn't have 15 in the denominator. So 3 by 5 we will make it as 15. So how we will make a 15? See here, 3 by 5, 5 we will multiply by 3, so we will get 15. Same way we will multiply with upside also. See, the number which we multiply down, that we must multiply up. So 2 by 15 remains like that, but 3 by 15 changes to 9 by 15, because when you multiply 3 with 5, it will become 15, and same way you will have to multiply 3 also with 3. So it becomes 9 by 15. Now they have same denominator. Since they have same denominator, you can add the numerator. When we add the numerator, we get 11 by 15. So this is how you add the fractions which have different denominators. Let's see one more example. See here, 2 by 5 and 3 by 9 we need to add. Here also the denominators are different. The denominators are different. So what we need to do, we need to make their denominator same. For that we will find the LCM. LCM. So what will be the LCM of 5 and 9? In order to find the LCM, you get the multiple table of 5. Multiple table of 5 is this: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now multiple table of 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, it goes. Now which is coming first common same number? 45 is coming in both. So 45 will be the LCM. So what we need to do is, we need to make their denominators as 45. So here 2 by 5 you will have to multiply by, see, 5 if you multiply by 9 you will get 45. So same way you will have to multiply 2 also with 9. The number which you multiply down, that same number you will have to multiply with a numerator also. and the second fraction 3 by 9 you will have to multiply by 5, because 9 when you multiply by 5 then only you will get 45. So with the same 5 you will have to multiply the numerator also. So we get two new fractions. For this we get 18 by 45, for this we get 15 by 45. Now they have same denominator, so we can now add the numerator. 18 and 15 will give us 33 by 45. Now 33 by 45 can be made small, it can be made small, because with the 3 we can cut them. With the 3 when we cut, see with the 3 here 11 times, here 3 15 times, so 11 by 15 is the final answer. So this is the way you need to add and subtract, add or subtract the like fraction, denominators. Now see here, there is a tip. Sometimes sometimes there is no need to find the least common denominator by list method. We can immediately find it whether the two numbers are both prime. See here in this example, denominators are 3 and 5. Now 3 and 5 are prime numbers. 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So when the denominators are prime numbers, it's easier to get the LCM. LCM will be their product. Now here the LCM is going to be, 3 into 5, that is 15. This will be the LCM. So when the denominators are prime numbers, the LCM will be the product of denominators. So this is a trick you can use. So these are the way you need to add and subtract the fractions which are having different denominators. Now let's see one more example. See here 9 by 10 minus 5 by 6. Denominators are different, so we need to get their LCM of the denominators. See, denominators LCM. The LCM of 10 and 6. You can find the LCM by like this also. Like this also you can find the LCM 2, 5 times, 3 times. Now these both are prime numbers, so you stop here. Now otherwise you can do 1 time, 3 time, again 3, 1 time, 1 time. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30. So 30 is the LCM. So 30 is the LCM. So when you get LCM 30, you make the denominators are 30. So 10 you will have to make as 30 by multiplying by 3. So here they have multiplied with the 3, 10. 6 you will have to make 30 by multiplying by 5. So this 5 you will have to give to the numerator also. This 3 you will have to give to the numerator. So you get two new fractions, 27 by 30, 25 by 30. Now when we subtract, we get 2 by 30. Now 2 by 30 we can again cancel with the 2, so we finally get 1 by 15. So I hope you understood this. Thank you. The next video we study about mixed fractions, how to add and subtract mixed fractions.